Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, all that stuff. Really appreciate it. Like interacting with you guys, so keep it coming and keep up the good work on your part, and we'll try and do ours on our side. Anyways, one of the things that's always bugged me with the Enfield has been the chain adjusters. They're kind of ugly looking. They're not as finished as I think they should be. Having the double nuts here, it just kind of looks kind of cheesy. Now, as far as aftermarket ones, the only one that I've seen commercially available, I think, is a Stratus Performance. Those are, I think, around 115, 120 bucks online. What I'm going to do, though, on this one is, I'm pretty sure, and I'm not 100% sure that it'll work yet, so I'm just going to try it, and you guys are coming along for the ride, is I've picked up these chain adjusters, which are genuine Royal Enfield adjusters. These are made for the Meteor 350. Part number is KAA 00058/A. Again, Royal Enfield part. I picked these off of eBay for about 25 bucks with free shipping. So come on along, let's see how this works out. We'll put them on and go from there. Okay, what I've done is I've got the bike on the center stand. If you've got an Interceptor, put your bike on the center stand. If you have a GT like myself and don't have a center stand, use a track stand to get the back end off the ground. So all I'm going to do really is just, I want to block the wheels up just a bit because I don't want to remove the back wheel. I just really want to have it stay in place while I change out the adjusters. So there's just a 12mm nuts on the back. I'm just going to crack these guys. Just loosen that one off on that side. It's a 24mm socket. So I'll just loosen off the back axle right now. So like I say, I don't want to drop the wheel right off. Just take these, set them aside, the washer and the... Okay, and I'll undo the adjusters on this side as well. Just loosen them off. I'm not totally getting rid of them yet. Now I'll come back over to the other side. See, I've adjusted those, or loosened them off a titch. Now, what I want to do is just pop the axle out without... Okay, so the adjuster is free there. There's the one adjuster. Here's the axle out. And there's the other adjuster. I'll just get the other ones. You can. Alright, so here's the factory adjuster, and here's the other Enfield adjuster. The holes are exactly the same. So let's pop these guys in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of grease on them, and I'm also going to run a line of blue Loctite on the threads. And it's not so much to lock it in place totally, but just to give it a bit of something on the threads so that they won't vibrate out. One of the things that some people have commented on is that these threads could potentially just vibrate off or vibrate out. So what I want to do is I'm just going to put a line of blue Loctite on here just so that it'll gum up the threads a bit and keep it from vibrating out. So I'll just do that off camera and then we'll be right back. Okay. Alright, so slip the adjuster in. And the cab. Axle. Let me just see if I got it. Not quite. There we go. I'll get it over on this side now. Nice. There's our axle. There we go. Look at that. Just like I knew what I was doing. Okay, now I haven't moved the chain forwards or backwards, so I'm just going to snug up the axle a bit, or the nut, and then we'll check out our tension. Snug up this side a bit, and then now we'll check our adjustments on each side. Wipe off some of this grease so we can see where our markings are. And we'll be able to check our chain tension, which obviously it's way too loose right now. I think it makes adjusting your chain a lot easier as well with these adjusters. Still too loose. How's that guy? Okay, this chain still needs a bit more adjusting. And as always, of course, make sure you do it equally on each side. The numbers on these adjusters aren't always accurate, so use your eyes. And alright, so I've got the chain adjusted to specs, and rear axle, I'm going to torque that 52 foot-pounds or 70 Newton meters. So there we go. 52 foot-pounds. It's adjusted right. I usually like the chain about 1.25 inches, between 1 inch and 1.25 inches. Got it adjusted there. Okay, so there you have it. Pretty easy, simple mod to the Enfield. Make the ass end look a lot better. Thanks again for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. Really appreciate it. Keep the comments coming, and let me know what you've done to your bike. And yeah, keep watching and keep the rubber side down. Thanks again for watching.